Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Off the Golf with Nancy. So today we're making a Nativity Snack Mix that I found on Instagram from, it's Dr. Robert, I forgot his last name, but I got his Instagram name so y'all can go look and everything. It's just awesome. I love what he did with his kids and everything. So Anastasia and I decided we were going to do the same thing. So I'm going to bring y'all down here so y'all can show you what we did. So it says square cereal is for the hay. So we had square cereal. That is marshmallows are angels around Jesus. Whoops. Alright. So marshmallows around angels around Jesus. Three is hugs chocolates, which is Mary holding Jesus. Since we don't eat regular chocolate, I made some chocolate. I did that on the live. So what we're going to do is we're going to use, let me get these out, our hearts that I made. To represent Mary. Alright. Then 4 is the 3 Musketeers for wise men. So we don't use that. So I made 3 crosses. So those for the wise men. Okay, 5 is pretzels for the manger scene, for the manger. And these 6, I'm just going to add those in there. So pretzels for the manger, animal crackers for the animals. Honey roasted peanuts for the gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And Starbust for the North Star. So we'll take these out of the wrappers. Definitely gotta have a pink one in there. That's Anastasia's favorite color. Sometimes it just don't seem like it wants to. And we'll do one more. Okay, and there you go. That is the Nativity Snack Mix. Just mix it all together. And there you go. We thought this was fun. I wanted to show y'all what he did and everything. And, you know, y'all enjoy. Let's have animal crackers. And chocolate. There you go. So thank y'all for being here. Merry Christmas. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf. Nancy.